live. We need to get world.scene up, and then I'll get stream music up in a minute. We have a lot of work to put in. It's gonna be a long stream. I will have to go at some point. Take a short break, wait for my people to give feedback. I don't even have an exported build yet. I need to get that done. But once that's finished up, I will be but yeah, the idea is slowly coming together. Let's see. All right. So first things first, we need to take care of the backdrop. That is not a good backdrop. I'm working on getting stream music up, but it is not a good backdrop, and I'll be the first one to tell you. I guess it's a good thing it's on now rather than later. Okay, here, so 19... What were the dimensions we were using again? It was like 192 by 108. Yeah. Alright, here. I'm gonna get Libre Sprite booted up, and we're gonna attempt another backdrop because we kind of need a better one. This current one it's not gonna work. Alright, here we are. So we do need a better backdrop. I'm trying to think, like, how can we get this to work? And what art style are we thinking here? Streamer mode on, etc. And then I feel like it's we have the capability to make one good. We just need to figure out what we're thinking for it. It could be like I don't know. Like, what are we thinking, chat? I'm thinking like the open field is gonna work, but at the same time, it's just bland. We could try it, but no real guarantee it'll work well. That looks a little too green. I guess that works better. I still like the river at the back. I still think that's a really a neat idea. Maybe having it like that kind of works. I'm thinking we have a little factory down here. I will say right now though, I feel like the factory should be a separate asset, cause it might have, wait, yeah, it needs to be a separate thing. Now that I'm thinking about it a little bit more. could try like I don't know, because like a lot of the front area is being taken up. This back area, it needs to have a few things, but outside of that, that's really it. I don't know. Maybe just some gradient, honestly. I mean, like, hold up. Like, so let's say the light is shining down from, like, the center. And we're kind of gonna have, like, a little smoother than that, but that can work. We'll go a little darker. I think that kind of works. It makes it look a lot less plain, but at the same time, like, I don't know. You know, we'll just have it go like that. And then more upward. It doesn't really look right with that much. I think this is about as good as we're gonna get it in terms of shading. It just doesn't really look right otherwise. Because it looks like there's too many layers. Like, notice this. It looks like it's layered way too much. I feel like there's a point where you have too much shading, and that's that point. So this, I feel like, works, having 3 different shades, and then I think this is pretty good. I don't like how smooth this edge is. It doesn't look that smooth, actually, but I don't know. Part of it doesn't really look right. This river looks a little thin, maybe. Like, there we go. A little eyedropper tool. Patch up some of the edges, and by want some, I mean that one. Actually, what if we had like a... well, okay, it'd be a pretty minor detail, but we could do like a parallax background. I don't think it would look that good, though. I haven't messed with those much, if at all, really, so I don't think we will resort to that. Other than that, we might actually want to just make these a little bigger. Like, you know, we take this... Take this. That looks a little better in comparison to what we had before. I will say though, just take this, fix up this edge. Kind of like that. I think that kind of works. I think we're good. We might be good to go. If not, I do think we can maybe add like we can add some clouds in the background. I can make those like a separate spray or a few different, like a few different clouds, and then we can have those like slowly crawl across the thing. That might work. Yeah, when it enters a certain area. Clouds are epic. The thing is, I'm questioning if I have time, because I've added just a couple of things to the list, because here's the thing, right? The boss tower is only going to have 2 attacks. But I don't think I can... one of them I wasn't really sure how to do, but I wasn't really sure what I wanted for it. I'm just kind of looking through now. I added I actually added a thing. Yeah, don't make clouds, you don't need any extra work. Yeah. I should probably cut out another thing. Hold on. I was thinking of strengthened healing towers, so whenever a robot dies, a strengthened one is put in its place, but when you destroy that, you get 4 parts. So you have enough to make 2 robots. But I'm not really sure. I feel like, you know, the healing... I mean... it would only really be like I'd modify the healing tower script. And it would be like a... I might do that. Okay. Yeah, we're not gonna do clouds. Here. Export sprite sheet. Godot games. GMTK game jam. Assets. Backdrop. Here. Level. Level terrain, but better. Go into here. We're gonna get rid of this backdrop. We're gonna change it. We're just gonna make it better. Here, reset. Empty. Load. Assets. Terrain, but better. That... you know, I think that does look better. What are we thinking, chat? I feel like the boss tower should be over here. But I do think this seems better. Yeah, it looks nice. I think the boss... Lord, I'll put him like right there. I definitely need to do a few more things with the boss. I need to animate his little screen. I have a couple of face ideas that'll play whenever he like does an attack. But outside of that, I think it looks fine. We just kind of need to get together. It's like here, I'll show... where did the... here, wait a minute, guys. Wait, chat. I'm just not realizing something. We have, the option to expand out the spawning areas a little more now. That's what we're just seeing the sprite editor. Oh, wait, yeah. Here, wait. Hold up. Okay. Here, so chat. We kind of have more space now to make the spawn regions bigger. If we still want to do that, we'd have to go back through and edit things some in the script. But we could do it. Like, should we, chat? The Windows XP wallpaper, oh god. But yeah, I think, you know, we could probably make, we could increase the area of the spawn regions. That might be a viable option. Like, I kind of want to. Really just because, like, we have more space now, you know, we don't have the trees and things taking up all of the space. Yeah, we might redo that. Here, let's mark down some nodes real quick. I'm just not realizing, though, chat, we're gonna need to mark down the name. Do we really need to do that naming system again? Not really. I feel like it's maybe a little easier, but so we need, like, here, chat, should we redo this system? I feel like we might want to, because they do generate really close together, and that's kind of problematic. Let's just make like 8 to start with, and we'll see what we can do. Here, so let's do it like that. Maybe here, what's the Y level on these? 192. 97. Lower these a bit. I think this could work. You know, we'll have our spawn regions. The X on that is 25, and that's 24. I think this will work better. Oh, we still have a lot of space. We just kind of see it because we're not zoomed in all the way here. This works. All right. So 25, 25 here. So let's just see if we can get this out real quick, because we don't need to put down all the points. That'd be kind of stupid. All right, here. So spawn point 1, a random range of. So these are the X values, I believe. Generates location. So these are the X values. Can I? Here, I should. Function argument, bro, what? Expected expression is the function argument. Why is it expecting that? Okay. Okay. 188, 689 are the old ones. The new ones are 25 and 727. That's a good range. Actually, wait. We don't want these to spawn off screen. Okay, we're gonna make it like 40. For the sake of my sanity. Okay, now we have the Y values, which are gonna be at 603 and 192. Interesting. Okay, so first little set done. Okay, so towers 1 and 2 are done. X values. I'm gonna put down more nodes. Here, let's do it from. So let's see, the X would be 727, or rather 728. No, it's just 727. It's whatever. So 1 pixel difference. 727 until, let's say, like 727 until 1013. So tower 3, 727, 1013. Then the random range will be 603 to, let's say, 603 to 472, because I don't want the towers to intersect. I don't want to say intercept. Ryan, how's your Unity courses going? That's my question for you. Okay, so it looks like those are done. Now tower 4 and 5, they are gonna be like right under the same script. So whatever coordinates I grab here are gonna be the final ones. Y level 192 until 603. So we have the X values, kinda. So we have 1034 until here. So that's like 0 away or 25 away from the edge. What would the edge be over here? Like on this coordinate edge in relation to. $1921. Alright, so it'll be at around 1900, let's say, ish. For safety precautions, we'll do like just do that for 8, 6, because 4 away, and then a bit. So 25. Wait, no. $134 to 1896. Okay, so 1034 until 1896. Until, all right. So now that we kind of have all that set up, we're going to test it. And they're a lot more spread out, which I kind of like. These things are a lot more spread out, actually. Which is a good thing, you know. I want these to be a lot more like, you know, they should be more spread out. And it's good that they are as spread out as they are. Next up, we're gonna have this until this. So we're just readjusting the spawn regions of everything. Alright, so 446 and 1560. 466. And then what was the other one again? 1560. Here, so let's go through, cut or copy this, and just replace it, like all throughout these. Oh wait, never mind, because we need to make the Y values different. Here. Not through all of them, but just the top ones. Alright. And now it was 884 and 1053. 884. These are distributed nicely, and I think that's good. Now, I think I made it so you start with 5 robots, I thought. No? Okay. Robot 4, and then dot position, robot, or spawn point. Alright. 64 lines of code later, and we have our robots spawning in pretty random spots, which is good. I will say though, one of the towers is going a little off the edge, so what we're gonna do is edit the script so tower, maybe the last 2 towers. The farthest these things can spawn out is 1850. Now let's reload it. Okay, that's maybe a little far. Let's do 1885, and I'll just kind of see. That works. Alright. Yeah, we have a pretty solid map now. I mean, okay, it looks empty now, but it'll look more alive when the towers are all on. You can get up to 5 extra robots. I'm gonna get rid of the strength and heal. I mean, okay, well, yeah, I mean, I might just, Here, if I do make a strengthened healing tower, it'll look slightly different. Yeah, okay, we're gonna get the strengthened healing tower set up. I'm gonna throw that together real quick. Tower.a spray, and then I'll switch over to tower. Alright, we need to make this look different somehow. We can have like some wood braces maybe set up to do that. Actually, wait. Let's see if we can... What should we add here, chat? Maybe like a little emblem up here. Right. I don't know. Got a little... No. Okay, Strengthened. I'm thinking we just add like a wood brace thing across this end, maybe. Yeah. Here. I don't think this looks amazing, but... go. And then we'll maybe add like some bolts type things on the edges like this. It's not good looking inherently, but I think it kind of works. And we can add like a little shield thing here. So then we'll have like a... Yeah, I guess that looks okay. Oh no, what else to add? I feel like this looks okay. Like... We're just gonna have it like that. This is the strengthened tower. Export output file. It'll be under Video games, GMTK game jam, assets, strengthened power. Okay. Now if we go into Godot, up to so you can have up to 10 robots. I'm thinking we have like up to, so let's see, the math needs to work out here. At the absolute maximum you can have 10 robots. I think 5 strengthened towers allows that. Yeah. So we need 5 strengthened towers as well, which won't be inherently difficult to add. What I can do is, I can try duplicating the scene. Strengthened healing tower. So yeah, we go into this scene now, right? And we just replace the tower with strengthened healing tower, and there we go. You know, we have that, and now all we really need to do is add in this like a few times. Yeah. Wait. There we go. Alright. Nice castle, thanks man. It's meant to just be a slightly stronger healing tower. Like I mentioned, I feel like I mentioned it. Yeah, I did. I mentioned it before in our messages. Now that's kind of not really problematic. I mean, yeah, just reload it and it's gone. Alright. Alright, now, you know, our thing looks empty, but it's going to improve. Oh, wait, it wasn't even showing on Godot. Oh god, okay. Sure. New file, 32 by 32. Now we're gonna work on the factory. So, what I'm thinking for the factory is it's maybe more so like a brick type thing, maybe? Or like a more kind of gray industrial type one. Because I'm thinking, you know, you have like a gray, actually, yeah, like a red building type thing, and then just starting out with like the basic shape of it, and then we kind of, like, we'll add in windows and things of that nature. No, okay, that doesn't look good. Let's see, can we fill the rectangle tool and make a decent looking factory? Okay. So now, yeah, let's make it a lighter gray. We will add in like a, maybe like a chain going down the side. Actually, no. We'll add like a, oh, okay. It'll add like a pipe type of thing going up. Up and around it. You know, we'll add in a kind of a door. There will be somewhat of a factory window. That's too purple. Sure, let's do like a gray, but it's a slightly like smoggy gray. So it looks like there's kind of smoke that's impacted the window in some way. Next, let's see, can we just do like the door a little darker? I feel like that works. Yes, continue. I feel like this looks alright, and then of course we need to add in some smokestacks up top. We could add some animation to it, I feel like. But if we do it, the smokestacks should probably be a little lighter. I feel like it's really simple, but I feel like it also kind of works, you know? Optionally, we can also take this and outline a tiny little face. There we go. I and B. There we go. If we need to, we might actually want to do this. Let's get this color. Put that there. Take this. Make it like that, and then there we go. After that, you know, we kind of take this, do this, and then we can have a little smiley face. I feel like this works. There we go. You know, we have a little factory. think. Now frame 6 will be something like this. I think that looks alright so far. Yeah, we have our billowing little smokestacks here. Let's actually pull up the frames and get it frame by frame. We have frame 7, which will be like a and frame 9 we kind of erase these little starting bits. Frame 10 erase that. Frame 9 though we also kind of have to build on the smoke. Frame 10, wait. Yeah, that's done. Frame 10. Here, wait. Is there an onion skin option? There's not. Okay. Not that I know of, at least. Just that little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. And we kind of need to start moving it up a little more. And then I'm gonna get rid of the bottom part of it. I implemented the thing now. The only problem is actually having 3 different ones that have 3 different reset positions. Okay, so 3 different ones at 3 different reset positions. Yeah, that seems like it could be kind of tough. Alright, here, let's get a look at this. I think it looks really nice. What do I do with no PC? What if it's just bugged when I build it to Windows and Mac? Are you gonna make like a straight up Windows and Mac build, or are you just gonna like upload it to the browser? Because I feel like a browser version might be better, because people probably don't want to download and run stuff like that, but I don't know, man. Up to you. Alright, here. And if it's bugged, I mean, every submission will likely have bugs to a certain degree. Most likely, but I don't know. It's kind of tough when you don't have a PC to work with. Like, the fact you're trying to is good and pretty impressive in its own right. I think I can, but do I have to do anything more, or do I just build it to HTML5 and upload it? I think you export it to HTML5 and then I think you upload it with like a link or something. I'm not 100% sure. To be quite frank, I've never exported anything from Godot before. Like, this is kind of gonna be my first time doing that. But yeah. Factory. So, export. Okay, wait, here. So now we're gonna add in a new animated sprite 2D. Chat, we're doing it. Let's go. Alright. Oh, looks so cool, man. Alright, here we go. Okay, tomorrow to do the rest of the art, which includes background art stuff at each page, right? The high score system in the UI also actually fixed into 7 p.m. and I wake up at 8 a.m. You have 11 hours if you work constantly. I'm assuming you're gonna probably want to take a break, though. You know, hey, gotta respect it, man. You know, you're working hard on it. You're giving it your all. Okay, I think I can do this edits. I would have to say this has already been a learning experience. Good night now, I must get rest. Yeah, good luck, man. Good luck. This singular frame, I'm gonna not duplicate it, but I am gonna copy paste it like a few times just to give it some room between. I feel like that's a very tiny detail, but it kind of works. The animation isn't perfect, but it's there. It's pretty solid. You know, saving it and running it. This looks pretty neat. I will say the lowest point the robots can spawn, I might change it just a little bit. I don't know. Here, let's just change it to like 1040. Alright. Reloading it. That doesn't really work. Okay, never mind. See, the problem is that they still kind of spawn on one another. But we'll polish that later on. So we have our... Okay, now we just really need to start the scripting. After we finish a couple more UI assets, because those are kind of necessary. So here, let's switch. Oh wait, it was never switching back to Godot. Okay, that's not the worst, I guess. Here, we're gonna marquee this and get rid of it. So next up, we need to use a circle. Yo, I'm compiling my game for Linux. Starting out nice. Ryan, you're about to love what I'm gonna do. A big orange button. A big orange button. Ryan, what do you think? It's a big orange button. OMG, it's wonderful. Oh god, no. No, I didn't want to do that. No, okay. Is there a text tool? I don't believe there is. Loader tool, what does this do? Oh, that would have been useful a while ago. Let's just right click all these to see is there any extra things we can do. Jumble tool. Oh, we can mix it all up and ruin it. Hi, hello. Welcome back. I'm also just not realizing I only did it on that frame. Okay. Okay. So we have a button. Question is, how can we make a nice looking screw of some kind? I'm thinking we have like something like that. A very basic shape. Alright, here. Let's... Hey, what spread is the one you're doing? So it's basically a button that we're going to be able to press to make more robots. That's kind of the idea. What I'm trying to figure out though is like, what can we... You know, honestly, chat, what if we just do the classic old reliable strategy called add face to screen? I feel like this is kind of a strategy that just works now. You know, when in doubt and you don't know what to add a face to the screen. You know, I feel like this works. Like, you know, I might need to aim for more clarity though. So here, let's see if we can make a little mini M and see if we can make it say make, because I kind of want to see, can we do that? Eyedropper, no, tool, brush, okay, no. Get out of the marquee tool, we don't need it. The idea is that it's a button and we can press it to make more robots. Because I really want to have more robots. Because robots are pretty cool. Okay, I don't think we're gonna be able to. I feel like I could add a very quick scene explaining everything. I feel like that is maybe an option. Oh my god, you guys haven't been able to hear the music and it's been like an hour. Dude, oh my lord. Bro. Good god, dude. The music's been going for over an hour, the stream music, and y'all just haven't heard it. That is bad. Okay. Here, we're gonna export this. Make button.png, because we're professionals around here. Okay. So now, okay. So we have our little boy, you know, our little funny button man. He's funny, and he's a button man. Alright, he's done. Now all we really need to do is go to back to Godot. World.scene. So I'm pretty sure we have everything we need at this point. This is a ball enemy. Is this a ball enemy? It's not. It's a button. I know it doesn't look the part right now, but and he is a button, exactly. Okay, so here, new sprite 2D. Here, factory. We have our little button. We have little button man. He's a pretty cool button. Alright, I think this is such a basic game, but it kind of works. Best color button. I think it works fine. Yeah, this looks like a pretty solid game. You know, we have a video game now. Not really, because we haven't actually made it do much, but yeah. So here, chat, what if we go into here? We're just gonna get a couple of things going real quick. Take care of the little things, we'll move our way up. So first things first, this needs to go in the script scene. Script folder. I can talk. So function ready. Play.animation. Okay, wait, here. We need to make the animation play. 10 out of 10 game, exactly. Here, so here, wait. Here, no, we should add this to the to the... We should add this to the main script. Not gonna export yet. Here, factory.gd, we're gonna get rid of that. Because it's just an animated sprite for right now. So the main thing, right? So we focus on the spawning. And then after that, we're gonna do the get node factory dot play here, wait. So we have the factory node, and now we're gonna see if there's a way that we can make it play the animation. There probably is, I just need to find a little thing to do it. If not, I do have another idea. Alright, I think we need to do plan B. No. Not thinking animation player. See, we need to make it play the animation, to do the, hold on. Animation library, no. Here, how should we make this play? So we have the factory node. I feel like, wait a minute, we can probably, we might not even need code for this. Hold on a second. Loop. Autoplay on load. It works. Here. See if I can put it into this. So this is what our game is looking like so far. So we have the little thing going in the distance. So yeah, we have a pretty goated game right now, honestly. This is some Game of the Year material. Oh my goodness. Dude, given that, like, 24 hours ago, dude, I was stuck. Like, I did not know what to do. And in that time, I've been able to pivot towards a completely new thing and make some decent progress. It's pretty good. Okay, so now we need to script in the robots, I believe. We might want to make, should we make a parts counter, chat? I feel like we should make a parts counter. I feel like we really should. One question is the player defeating the boss man. Yeah, so you command the little robots and they fight boss man. The big boss man. That's actually his name. We've decided to name him Big Boss Man. Okay. So we need to make a parts counter, and what I'm kind of thinking for that is we take a 48 by 32 thing, because this will allow for a good amount of layering when it comes to that. You know, we can get these little bits in. Alright, I think this kind of works, you know. And then we have our funny little thing. Well, we should probably get a font going pretty soon. We'll worry about that in a little bit. So, what I'm thinking is we'll kinda doesn't really work. Doesn't really look right either. So we kind of need to have like a... Did you read the question? Yeah. Oh, what did I say to it? Yeah, the player is fighting the boss, so you basically, like, the robots will follow your cursor, right? And... Okay, this doesn't look right. Like, at all. It's probably about as good as we're gonna get it. That is not good. Probably because this isn't the same height. Here, let me see if I can... Oh, that's good. Okay, here, let's just... part. And, you know, we have a little font thing that we can have. Here. Let's just see, can we... I don't know if that looks that good. We need to, actually no, we need to respace it, that's why. Oh, okay, hold up. just get rid of these, redo them entirely. I will even come back later, I think. Alright, man. Yeah, have a good day. We'll be here for a while. Got a long net ahead, most likely. No, okay, why is everything... Doesn't really look right when it looks too thin when it's like single bordered. Like single outlined, but then... I don't know. Also, why did I still make this 2 away? Okay, now I will make these little bits. That's too close, yeah. I think this looks a little better. It's not perfect, but it's pretty likely that that's about as good as we'll get. Maybe I can move the T a little closer because it's not like a... It's not... It looks farther apart than it is. Alright, me and Ryan is the only ones watching sometimes. Yeah, it is what it is. You know, people, they get busy, you know? And that happens. Once you got to see the full process, that's true. That is a very fair point. So now what I'm thinking, we need to make like a pixelated numbers. And that will very likely be, we're gonna need some way to probably like show the different numbers, based on, we can maybe customize a label, actually. Yeah, we might be able to do that. Alright, yeah, we can definitely fit numbers into here. So, hearts, number, panel, and then we'll kind of get to work on the rest of these. So here, marquee this thing, done. And then we should get a 16 by 16 thing going. Here, wait. Save new file. 16 by 16. Dude, this is doable. Like, you know, it's possible that we can finish this. Okay, so here, we're gonna get... That's too many frames. Okay. So, you know, we'll have like a decent base. You know, we do that. I think that looks fine. Yeah, that looks alright. And then we have 2, which we'll just kind of get a very rough out. Okay, that's not good. Again, it's not very good. And we'll get like a rough a rough outline of it and then improve it. I think this works. You know, we'll smoothen up the edges a little. Yeah, that works. What are you making right now? So basically that panel that we just made with the parts, that's going to be a counter, and every time you get, like, however many parts you have, it'll display that number. So we're just making digits to display that. Alright. Let's erase this bit so it's symmetrical. Alright. And then we will have... This one I guess use like the line maker thing. I think that works pretty well. Five. You know, we'll get that. Alright. I think that's good. 6, we'll just kinda take the brush and make a rough outline and improve it. That doesn't look good. See, now we just need to make a 6 and then a couple more things and we're good to go. I think that works. Actually, no, because we can't add the outline on the underside, which will make it look a little odd. Hey, the CPU input one looks similar to the CPU image. Which one? It's like, if it's too similar, you know, I'll just change my design, because I don't want to... This looks like an okay 6 at best, I think. Which one? Oh, look. I'll look in a minute. Okay, wait. That also does not look right, like, at all. No, my best idea here is... This doesn't look right either. I don't think the 7 looks alright, but that's fine. That looks good, thank you. Here. We're gonna try an 8 now. So like, and my logic with this one is I feel like 8s are really easy to make. We do want it to be centered, of course, when we export. Okay, I think this 9 is alright, and then 10, no, it's not even a 10, it's just a 0, because we're doing digits with these. I should double border these. There we go. 0, and we're done. I'm pretty sure. Did I export the panel? Because I feel like I only saved it as an ASPRite file. Let's see. Export. All right. So now we just need to do you have 1 or 2 monitors? I have 1. Also, I need to get that pulled back up. Yeah, I have 1 monitor. I feel like where I should put this, it should be like somewhere around here, maybe. Maybe down here, actually. Let me debug this real quick just to see. Yeah, that should be good. All that we need to do now is the... Okay. Can't think. What do we need to do for the digits? Those need to be... Actually, can we style as a label? Or better yet, a rich text label. Foreign text is rich label. Can we... What can we do with this? Actually... Here, chat, let's try something else. Actually, wait, here. We'll check this thing's documentation. Custom text fonts, images, and some basic formatting. Okay. Not what we needed. Also, this button, we need to change the type to just a texture button. What I'm thinking for that is the texture normal. It should have the normal should be the normal like texture for it. And then pressed, it should be some sort of other thing. Let me quickly throw together a pressed button. I'll just quickly put it together. It's not gonna be like a... I don't want to just switch over in OBS. Here, is there a way that I can import an image? Maybe actually, hold on. Here, I'm gonna... try something real quick. I doubt this is gonna work. It does! Okay, cool. Okay. Ryan left, yeah, I think he had to go somewhere. That or he might have the stream on, but he's AFK. In which case, that would make sense. Oh my god, I need to... Don't tell me that ended up somewhere in the assets folder. And Godot froze, because something was added in that it shouldn't be. We'll give it a minute. It'll probably crash and I just need to get rid of the thing. Okay, so that doesn't even need to be in the folder, I just need to actually try and get Godot to not freeze. Oh my goodness, wait, okay. Okay. Export sprite sheet. Press make button, export. It's in Godot now. Let's see, so we have button, pressed, load, assets, and press to make button. Okay, here, can we kind of test that? Yo, okay, that's cool. Here, let me pull that up in OBS. Debug. So we have, you know, our little robots, our cool little factory and stuff. But then we have this. So, you know, we can hold it down. This is really cool. I really like that. So, yeah. Okay. So now we need to figure out how we're going to display the what's it called? I can't think the numbers, so digits. What I'm thinking is here, add a child node. Label. Is there a way we can get this to work? Start assets was not really no. Layout? Maybe? Container sizing, transform, displayed text. Wanna add a texture. Or like a few things, but I can't. Wait, texture? Never mind. Visibility. This is weird, okay. Trying to think, how can we do this? What we might be able to do is have okay, I have an idea, but it's really, really scuffed. And probably won't work in the way I need it to. But there's only really one way to find out. Not child, no, we need a animated sprite. Animation. The likelihood of this working is very, very low. But literally one way to find out if it'll work or not. Okay, wait, so I do have a new idea actually that I think could work. So it'll look for the parts like counter. It'll look for the parts counter and then update the digit based on that. So for example, if so let's say we have two of the same thing that are counting the digits and displaying them. If it's say 8, then there will be a 0 on the first one, then 8 on the second. Which might be possible. Hold on. Frame 3. How does that function frame and base animated sprite 2D? So there's just a non-existent built-in function, okay. Is there a way to try and set frame in progress? How can we do the... Hold on. Sprite frames here. I'm pulling up the Godot docs right now to try and figure this out. Wait. What's it again? Set frame, okay, one of two matches. Is there really no other thing in the set frame? What can the set frame function do for us? Well, this is annoying. Actually, what it might be is... Wait. Sprite frames. This is under a lot. I'm wondering, will set frame... Wait, set frame actually would have worked. Hold on. Set frame, string name is the animation. Here, wait, so texture and the duration of the frame. Never mind. Kinda wondering now what could work. Hey. Looking at a Reddit thread from 3 years ago. Let's go. Okay, trying to do HP World animated sprite. One to one. Okay. I can't change the frame from because I got some errors. First try. Okay. Frame. Second try. Set frame. Okay, so what I'm thinking is set frame 3. So it should be a 2. A 4? Wait, yeah. So let's see, a 5 should be a 6. It works. Let's go. Okay. Alright, so now what we need to do is get... Oh god, we have a lot to do. Alright, time... So, back to business. So we have a couple of things that we need to take care of first. So set frame and then an argument will work. However, we also need to get a couple of variables set up. So variable will likely be a right here, parts count variable oh, robot, okay, here, so we'll start with parts count. Why won't this work? Oh, because it's indented. So it equals 0 upon first loading the script. So now we start the if statements. If parts count is greater than or equal, or here, if parts count is equal or greater, or 9 is greater than it, then we have a set, so then animated sprite 2D, which we'll rename this to tens digit counter. And we'll add another one that'll be a animated sprite 2D, that'll be a ones digit counter. So tens, or what if we just like drag it in? Dot set what was the syntax again? Assignment is not allowed in its own expression. So it would be set frame to would be 10. Alright, cut out that line and put that in. Assignment is not allowed inside an expression. Fine. Here, we'll try a different approach then. Get node. Okay, yeah, so I was gonna swallow some of the code. I'm back. Welcome back, Ryan. I'm trying to figure out how to... Conditional order. Choose Unity and C#, not gonna lie. No, okay, I just figured it out. I swear. So then it should be 10. Okay, so if 9 is greater than or equal to parts count, which is a variable, it starts at 0, then it should be equal, so it's equal to 1, 10. Wait, is that why? Wait. It's because it's under the function. If in class body. If conditional after if. Will it fix itself if I just... Because I'm not going to do this, but... Wondering, like, why is it broken? Expected conditional expression after if. There is one here. There's a conditional, alright? A conditional expression. Alright. You got this? Yeah, it's kinda... It's a little bit of a pain. Okay, so... The variable parts count... Why is that line not working? My best guess is because it's under the ready function, but at the same time... Like, I just don't... I do not see... Like... Because that clearly doesn't fix it. Expected if in class body. What? Okay. Oh wait, we need to give this a thing. I'm just not realizing. It's not related, but... Sorry, what? Okay. Now, code. Code. Why is this if statement not working? I am confused, man. Trying to think, what would the reasoning be? Like, alright, give me a minute, try to do this one. My fire alarm's going off. Hold on. Yeah, it was a false alarm. I can't think of why this worked. It's working at, yeah. It was a false alarm. Thankfully. Okay, I can't think as to why this wouldn't work. Like, you know, we have the 07's to my alarm, yeah. Hold on. Assignment is not allowed inside an expression. I didn't write anything in the expression. Okay, I'm trying to think how I look at this if statement to work. Is equal to or greater than... Wait, is that why it wasn't working? Conditional expression after if what? What do you mean? Is that gonna fix it? I don't think so. Why won't it work? Expected conditional expression after if. Hold on. No, wait. The fact that I pressed enter and I did it. Bro, what? Why is the autocorrect? Oh god. Trying to figure out why this wouldn't work. I don't know. I can't think of why it wouldn't work. Expected conditional expression after if. A conditional expression? What? Why wouldn't it be on 69 then if that was the problem? Ryan? Ryan. I just can't do this anymore, man. Ryan. Yeah, that did in fact work. that was... Yeah, I might have to, switch to Unity after this. I know that's not serious. I'm not switching to Unity. The only variable if you're declared is available for the first time. True. I don't know why I didn't think of that, but whatever. Tens digit counter dot set frame, and then so it would be 10. Let's check that out. It works. Let's go. I will use ChatGPT to talk. Oh lord. Good luck with that, man. Alright, yeah. Well, needless to say, I'm glad that works now. And then the else is gonna be tens digit counter dot set frame. It would be 0. So let's say that it's equal to 10. Let's go, dude. Oh my goodness. Let's go. Okay. Okay, we're making progress. Never mind, I have McDonald's Wi-Fi. Oh god. Oh. Alright. Okay, now after this, we need, just play the main menu and way to win my game. Nice. Yeah, I need to get a main menu going for this somewhat soon, but I'll focus on that soon. Oh god, it's already almost 3 o'clock. Okay, here we go. So, parts count is greater than 9. And let's try again. Alright. So then, after that, we'll have another if statement. If parts counter is greater than or equal to 10, then we have the ones digit counter dot set frame parts counter is not declared in the current scope. Oh, I typed it wrong. There we go. Okay. God, now what needs to happen? God. Okay. So it needs to set the frame. Let's say to 0, and then we'll have elif statements for everything else. Elif parts count is equal to 11. Then we just copy paste this and change the argument. Or wait. So if parts counter is greater than or equal to 10, it sets it to 0 to make that 10 stay on 1. Wait. Here, we need to think about this for a minute. So, ideally, actually, we just kind of get rid of these. We're not going to need these. And the ones digit counter, we should be good. Okay, so if 9 is greater than or equal to the counter, then it sets the 10's digit counter. We need to change it to where it's set to 1. And then if it's not, then we set it to 0 so that it has a 1 on the other side. And then if parts counter is greater than or equal to 10, wait, so if parts count is greater than or equal to 10, so if it's equal to 10, then we take assign results on expression. What? Oh, we can't assign. Okay, here parts count is equal to 10. Oh no, Among Us. Alright, so then what is it? Okay. Okay, so now else 10's digit counter set frame. Alright, so now if it's equal to 10, then the ones counter needs to have its frame set to that one needs to be set to 10, and then elif parts count is equal to 11, then alright, we're making good progress, boys. Okay. One's digit counter dot set frame. It'll be 1. No, it'll be 0. Never mind. So let me continue counting up from here until 9. Okay, this isn't inherently difficult, it's just kind of tedious. I will say though, the script, it looks very repetitive, but it's not, you know, it's not inherently confusing, I'd say. So an elif parts count is, oh god, equal to 12. Then that one's digit counter needs to have its frame set to 2. Wait. Copy this. Actually, no, we're just gonna copy this. So let's see, 13, frame set to 2. 14, 3, and then we need to continue this counting all the way up until 8. So, you know, we immediately do 15, 4, 16, 5, 17, and 6, less 2, 18, 18 and 7, okay, 19 and 8, and then here, wait, so it needs to be on 9 actually. If parts count is equal to 20, then this needs to be re-imported. Alright. Now all that really needs to happen is to get rid of these. 1, 2, 0. So then 0 is 1, 1 is 2, and 0 is 2. So if parts count is equal to 9, then the tens digit counter needs to be set to 2. Otherwise, it needs to be set to hold on. So if 9 is equal to or greater than the parts count, then it needs to be set to 2, which would make it a 0 on the display. Otherwise, it would need to be set to a 1. You know, we're gonna take this, cut it out entirely. And then we need to set it to, so let's see, the 1's digit counter needs to have its frame set to what would be equivalent of 0, which would be a 9. And then the thing needs to have that, 10's digit counter, that's right. That's right. Alright. There we go here. So let's see if we can make it so the button will here. So let's add a thing to test if it'll actually work. Pressed, connect. So button.gd parts count 1. Wait. Oh wait, here, it's at the bottom of this. So now we just need to close that script, detach that script, get rid of button.gd. There. Now we're just gonna try pressing it. I don't think it's working. Here, wait. Let's see. Okay, so okay, so function ready. It means, okay, here, there's gotta be a way that we can increase the variable with the press of a button. So parts count +1. Here, let's try that. Won't work. Okay. So we have parts count. So will that work? So it should be 20? No? Okay, that's weird. Yeah, right, okay. Here, I'll be right back, chat. Back. Okay, so if we just have a okay. The parts thing should work. So if the parts thing here, wait, so I kinda need to rewrite a lot of this, honestly. So like here, if parts count is equal to 0, then one's digit counter set frame, that would be so the ones counter would be a 9, and on the tens counter would be a 2. Okay, here, wait, I have another idea as to why it wasn't working. One's digit counter, yeah, we kind of need this to, you know, be here. Okay, button, that press signal, we'll reconnect it. Deloader 3, what's wrong with this? How do I make it go up one? So the counter does work, it's just we need a way to increment it using that button. Or better yet, here, wait. Yeah, it won't, increment parts count at all, which is kind of problematic, I'm gonna be honest. I'm better with Slim for Okay. Well, it looks like everything works right. We just need a way to change the counter now. We'll do that in a little bit. So now what we really need to focus on is, so we have the parts counter visually functional. We have, okay, let's go. So the button, let's code the healing towers now. So what we're gonna do is set up some variables. Health is gonna be equal to let me check my notes. 200. Next up we have let's see, variable boss health healing. It's gonna be equal to 100. Okay, so after that we kinda need to, here, robot, here, parts drop number is equal to 2. So now we have our variables set up. We need to go over and we start writing a few things out. So first things first, we need to figure out how to make two game objects or nodes talk to each other. I think honestly, man, we might just be able to have it add to its health. At the boss itself, just add to its health on its own. Every 3 seconds it'll heal 500. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, that's not gonna work. I'm just now realizing that is not gonna work at all. So if we have 10 robots, they'll do 100 damage. 300 every 3 seconds, so you know, 1,000. 900. 300. Yeah, no, we need it to have like, it's had to be 75 health. So I feel like 100 for the strengthened towers and 75 for the normal ones. That is good, I feel like, you know, it'll still do good damage. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Alright, well, now we need to get to the healing towers, or at least like get partway through. So we can have the boss just heal himself, you know, like an incremental thing in that. Okay, so we're kind of, well, I mean, okay, here, if health is equal to 0 at any point, Q free, that'll basically just get rid of the tower. Unexpected if in class body, huh? Why? Why is it unexpected? Unexpected indent in class body. How? Okay, wait. So what if it's just like health equal to 0? Why is it an unexpected if? Oh, I should probably write it on a function. I'm just not realizing that that's why. I'm just not writing it in a function like at all. See, it's little things like that that are gonna mess me up a lot. I already have, but... So if health is ever equal to 0, Q free. And then... after that... So then... Here, wait, so we need to make this local pretty soon. We might actually have to do that now. We might want to make it local. So this is all the same thing. Okay, here. Let's see if I can get this running in a little bit. Okay. I should have made a game related to cheese. That would have been kind of funny. It's like there's cheese in the thumbnail. I don't know, man. Missed opportunity. I think that the... I want to make all this local right now, and then parts counter should work. Now what I'm trying to think is, so function death Q free. Okay, so it needs to queue free, and then if tower dies, maybe that's a function thing or something. And then that'll be variable tower dies. Or better yet, tower 1, tower dies, 1 dies is true. So then, something always goes wrong? Yeah, pretty much. Not really this time, but I'm trying to figure out how to make it so when one of the towers dies, the parts counter goes up. Variable tower 1 dies. I'm not really sure how else to do this. So if the health hits 0, it'll queue freeze, just gets rid of it, deletes it out of the scene. And then after that, alright, and then there's, I don't know. So, queue free, so it'll queue free, just gets rid of it. And then it needs to make it so it, do I need to set the health in the world script? Because if so, I really would rather not do that, but I don't know, if we really have to, I guess we will. Let's just get rid of this. We're gonna close this out. We'll get that pulled up. We're going to detach the script on all of these. These are all local now, so we can edit them locally, which I guess is kind of nice, but yeah, and we should go down to scripts and just get rid of the healing tower one. We might also have to make the boss script in here, but if so, not a huge deal. That would not be an inherently horrible thing, I don't think. Yeah, typically something does go wrong. So, yeah, let's see, so, function, no, I might not even need a function, okay, now, so this is all under the ready function, just to show the things that we might, wait a minute. Okay. I think I figured out why it wasn't incrementing right. So we're gonna yoink all of this. And then we're gonna make a new function. Function parts. Probably. So then parts counter is a globally stated variable. We need a if parts count equals 1, and the elifs should be fine after that. Assignment is not allowed inside of an expression. Oh wait, yeah. How are things going? Decently well. Pretty, pretty alright, I'd say. Is, I think yeah, okay, here, so now we need, so if parts count is equal to 1, then the tens digit counter should have its frame set to, God, it would be, what would it be? It would be, so this is 0 is 1, it would be 3? No, 2. And then the ones digit counter would be, that would be a 0. So wait, so tens? That would be a 1? It would be. Wait, no. Be a 2. What have I done here? 15. What? Okay, I'm back. Welcome back. Here, wait, so... Alright, we're actually gonna grab this and cut that too. So, elif. So the frame would be 9 and 2. I know it wouldn't. Wait, what? No. Okay, here, let's figure this out. So, let's just write it all out first. Even if it's not right, which we probably should make it right, so we can save ourselves some time. We're just gonna write this all out. So, tens digit counter dot set frame would be a 2. So it's gonna be a 0, and then after that wait, so let's see, 0, and then after that would be a okay, this is kind of like a pain to figure out for no apparent reason. What if we just... No, we're not gonna restart, it's a waste of time. Okay, so how's the stream going? Pretty good. We're trying to get the parts counter working right now. I realized why it wasn't working, and now we're fixing it. So, parts counter will be equal to 1, so the 10 would be the 1. Okay, so then the 2, that would be 1. Copy that. So let's see, then that would be a 2. This okay, so tens digit counter. Wait, no, wrong function. I don't know why the 10's on the bottom and the 1's on top. It makes no sense, but whatever. So, 4, and then 2, 1, 2, 2, that would be 2, 3. You know, we're gonna then do 2, 5, 2, 4. So then for 6, it would be 2, 5, and so on until we reach 20. So 7 would be 6. 8 is 7. 9 would be 8, and then 10 would be, that would be Yeah, 0, and then on the ones it would be 9. And then that button signal might actually work now. Wait. Can you show how it looks like right now when you finish fixing it? Yeah. Oh god, what am I typing? Plus, not that, but 1. Alright, let's see if it works. It doesn't. So the idea is that it's supposed to, this part is supposed to increase the variable that is the parts count. Hold on a second, chat. So the 1's digit counter, that needs to have a 0, so that needs to be 9. And then this needs to have a 1. Hold on. Why is it not working? Hold on a second. If parts count is equal to 20, then the 1's should be a 9, and the 10 should be a 1. And yet it is not working. Why not? Like, I don't see a reason why it's not. That's ridiculous. Okay, wait. I don't think it's anything with the... This is so weird. Alright. Well... Chat... I think for now I will end stream. Kinda tired. I'll be back. I'll be live later tonight. We will be getting this working. I might test some things like off stream just to see what's wrong with it. I don't think there shouldn't be anything wrong. At what time? If I had to give an estimate, around maybe like anywhere from 7 to 8 p.m. PST. Maybe earlier, maybe later, depends. I'm not 100% sure yet, but we will be trying to get this working. Other mix of the time is different if you don't. Okay, so that would be like 10 to 11 your time. Oh god, okay. If you're not able to watch, that is fine. You need sleep. Sleep is pretty important. Yeah, I don't live there. The other side of the country. Alright. Well, chat, it has been fun. Goodbye, chat.